Hello again, and welcome to our dynamic candle lighting system for Unreal Engine, a collection of drag and drop candle assets designed to quickly add mood, atmosphere, and flexibility to your environments. If you're already familiar with our torches and braziers packs, you'll feel right at home here, since these follow a very similar concept. When you drag one of our candle blueprints into your scene, you instantly get a complete setup that includes the candle, flame VFX, lighting, and supporting props all in one convenient package. You also get a full set of parameters directly in the blueprint, giving you plenty of control to art direct the final look. One important detail to mention is that this candle system is split into 3 separate volumes, each sold individually on our fab page. We also offer a bundle that includes everything shown in this video if you want the complete collection. This video is also time-stamped, so feel free to jump to any section you need. Alright, let's start by quickly going over the identity of each pack, and then we'll jump into how the system works. Here you can see the contents of all 3 volumes. One thing that becomes immediately clear is that each pack is centered around a different type of asset. Volume 1 focuses mostly on candle holders and wall-mounted assets. Volume 2 is mainly made up of larger pieces, such as tall tiered candelabras and ceiling chandeliers. Volume 3 includes lanterns, along with additional standing chandeliers. All 3 volumes share the same candle system, and they all include these tabletop candle blueprints. In addition, each volume comes with a bonus asset. Volume 1 includes a large table. Volume 2 comes with these wooden cabinets. And Volume 3 includes this awesome medieval quest board. Everything in these packs is optimized for nanite workflows to help deliver the best possible fidelity and detail. Now that we've looked at what's included, let me show you how the system works. When you drag one of our blueprints into your scene, you'll be presented with a range of options that let you completely customize the look and behavior of your candles. First, we have a simple on and off switch. This not only disables the flame effects, but also turns off the light sources in the prop. Next, we have the candle parameters. Here you can adjust the candle scale, candle color, and base color contrast. You can also tweak the material subsurface amount, as well as the normal intensity. Below that, we have the flame parameters. This is where you can control the flame scale to desaturate or tint the flame, and adjust the emissive strength and opacity. Next, we have the light parameters. By default, the lights are kept fairly subtle, but if you want to use these assets more actively as light sources, you can adjust the color, intensity, attenuation radius, source radius, and indirect lighting intensity. For the single candle holders, we also included a randomized candle option. This cycles through a collection of candle variations and applies a random rotation as well. This is especially useful when placing multiple instances of the same holder and wanting a little more natural variation. Some of the assets also come with additional unique features. For example, these hanging holders can be used with the included wall mount, or you can hide the mount and hang them directly in your environment. The chandeliers also have their own extra functionality. You can easily adjust the chain length to fit different ceiling heights, and they come with a built-in sway animation to add a bit of movement to your scene. Of course, you can tweak that animation or disable it entirely if you prefer. And that's it. We hope you enjoy using these tools. Everything we create comes from solving the challenges we run into while building our own environments. Our goal is always to help bridge the gap between creativity and efficiency, so you can iterate faster and bring richer storytelling into your worlds. If you enjoy our work, we'd really appreciate it if you left us a review on Fab. That's one of the best ways to support what we do and let us know you'd like to see more. Thanks again for your support, and be sure to check out our other products. You'll find links to all 3 volumes, the full bundle, and our other packs down in the description. See you next time.